Meanwhile, the Jamaica Teachers Association is pushing for teachers to get a reprieve on their utility bills. With that angle, here's Kirkwright with the details.
Since the Prime Minister announced that schools would be closed to help halt the spread of the COVID-19 in Jamaica, students are being taught online. That means increased electricity usage to keep gadgets and internet boxes going for 24 hours. Owen Speed says utility companies need to consider those factors.
You know, they have to use the electricity over time. And we are getting it that teachers are working straight through the days and sometimes even on weekends to correspond with the children. And they are using the electricity, the bills are going to go up, and with children at home, the bills are going to run high. Hence, I am calling on the JPS and the Water Commission to look at maybe over a period of a few months to reduce the bills to the customers and in particular to the teachers.
Mr. Speed says he's looking forward to any consideration for teachers from internet service providers.
We need to look at reducing the bills. In fact, I'd call for them to match the dollar with the customers. And right now, as we know it, the teachers are going to be getting a little bit of a relief in terms of what the Flow and Digicel are about to provide through the Ministry of Education. And again, we commend the Ministry of Education for making those advances to those companies.
Kirkwright, TVJ News.